Coconut oil and honey face mask, for smooth skin. This face mask softens and hydrates the skin, because both honey and coconut oil have powerful hydrating properties. To get the most out of these ingredients, you need to find raw honey and extra virgin coconut oil. Face mask recipe. Take a small bowl and mix in it 1 teaspoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix until you get a smooth and even consistency. How to use it. Take a small amount of the mixture with your clean fingers and apply to a clean and dry face. Apply by gently massaging it onto your face in circular motions, avoiding the area around your eyes. Rinse off the mask after 5-10 minutes using warm water, then pat dry with a soft towel. Don't worry if your face feels a bit greasy, as the greasiness will quickly get absorbed by your skin. The benefits of the ingredients. Honey is deeply hydrating. It plumps up dry skin cells and slows down skin's aging due to the presence of antioxidants in it. The antibacterial and antiseptic properties of honey protect your skin from infection and help prevent acne. Coconut oil is rich in vitamin E and healthy fatty acids. It nourishes, softens, and moisturizes the skin, removes stale oils, and helps treat acne. Notes. To increase the effectiveness of this face mask, steam your face before applying it. This mask will not only prevent acne, but can also help in giving you relief from the existing ones. This recipe can be stored in the fridge for around 3 days. If it becomes too solid to use, warm it a bit.